Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can enable the sidebar on your home tab here on Microsoft Edge or Bing really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So what you want to do guys is, for example, as you can see, we're on the home tab of Bing. If I hover my mouse over that edge here to the right or right side of my browser, there's no sidebar whatsoever. However, I would like to access customization tools, features and options and settings through the sidebar. So let me enable it for demonstration purposes. Head over to your browser settings. To do that, click on these three dots in the top right corner and select settings from that drop down menu. And inside your settings, head over to Copilot and sidebar here to the left on the left panel. And basically select your sidebar visibility here to the right. You may switch it on entirely by selecting always on or select auto hidden so that your sidebar will only be displayed when you use the side pane. You can also exit it from the Copilot icon alternately, or you simply disable it entirely by selecting off. So that's how you enable the sidebar on Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.